entertaining ball game. Fontalassot to the back end. No, he drops it up outside. 3-point shot on its way. Bullseye! Alan Ramos surprised it.
Yeah, great job by Necesito. Driving down the lane, waiting for the defense to collapse, then kick out dito kay Ramos. Napakagaling, napaka-shooter nito, Sir Rai.
A counter.
Yes.
7 minutes and 11 remaining.
Nako, na-set up na naman.
3-point shot on its way. Bang! Alan Ramos, his favorite spot on the right wing,
Ganyan
continues
talaga,
to burn.
yeah. Ganyan talaga yan, Sir Rai. Once na makashoot, expect mo na tuloy-tuloy yan.
Nila. Samantala may foul si Fernandez. Take a look at this. Ramos 3-point bomb with an instant explosion.
Out ni Necesito sa painted area.
Dugog parting the Red Sea on that.
Oo.
Ramos once again.
Bang! I told you, Sir Rai, once na makashoot yan, expect mo na, pangalawa, pangatlo, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
The rhythm of the game is smiling on Ramos. Third straight triple this quarter. And he
Yeah.
gave a foul.
Talk about being a microwave. Napaka-talented na player netong Alan Ramos na to.
Alan Ramos igniting the spirit of Reggie Miller. That spot, naalala ko noong 1998, yun ang binuslo niya against Michael Jordan on Game 6 ng Eastern Conference. That same spot, ha?
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna share, Sir Rai. When we went up against him last season, and sa previous game namin, kung saan, yan, tignan muna natin. Off the dribble na yan, ha?
That same spot, ha? 25-footer. Impressive.
Yeah, like what I was saying,
Go ahead.
talagang yung scouting namin. Bang!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're seeing an isolated moment of brilliance of Ramos. 4 3-pointers on that same
Four
spot.
straight.
He is unconscious. And of course, one of the 4 shots that Ramos took in the second quarter, and he did not miss any shot. 4 of 4 from 3-point region. That's a half.
Wow. Dahil daw mas maganda kalaro ang mga kaedad at pagbata daw mas mahirap. And this is her first time on joining the Sinag Liga Asia. Now let's see how will Archie Gamboa will help his team to maintain the...
But this guy is a streak shooter. He hit 4 in the first half and he hit 1 in the third quarter. He has a total of 5 of 7, 15 points all from 3-point region. Alan Ramos, superb.
Yeah, napaka-amazing ng pinapakita at kino-contribute dito ni Alan Ramos. Napaka-efficient scorer talaga.
All right, we're about to start the fourth quarter action. Rebound. And here comes Orna.
Oh,
Nagmamadali si Ramos. Ramos connects another magnum opus 3-point bomb. Of course, with a score of 89-87, we cannot discount the consistent performance of Fritz Orna. Sa first half, medyo malam niya kanyang scoring, pero kanyang leadership, yung rebounding, yung kanyang defense, nagtulak dito sa napaka-importante panalo ng GDL coach.
Oo, talagang sa mga wings tulad ni Kuya Orna and Ramos, may kumpiyansa silang mag-take the shot, maging consistent sa 3 points, sa perimeter. Bakit? Kasi napakasisipag ng trabaho din talaga yung mga bigs nila
And of course, these 2 players that I mentioned, Orna and Ramos, are the 2 Sinag Lakas players of the game, and they will be interviewed by Kimberly Anvidcula. Kimberly?
I am now with the Sinag best player of the game from GDL Lancaster. Now, first of all, congratulations on winning the game po tonight. Naunahin po muna natin si Ferdinand Orna with 13 points, 4 rebound, and 5 assists. Now, my question po is, dominant po kayo all throughout the game. Ano po ba yung mindset nyo going to the game po?
Yun, pagpasok pa lang namin sa court, sabi namin medyo malalaki yung kalaro namin. Kailangan namin sipagan. Kailangan yung mga big man namin magtrabaho sa ilalim para makuha namin yung panalo.
Now, is there anyone you would like to greet, sir?
Medyo marami. Good evening sa lahat. Binabati ko si Boss Jerry De Luna, Mervin Cortez Lancaster, at saka siyempre yung asawa ko, yung tao sa bahay, relative, si Boss Raul, saka lahat ng teammate ko, yung anak ko, si Ashley, at saka si Andre, saka si JK. Kumusta kayo dyan? Lahat ng relatives ko sa Caloocan, Batang Kankalo, binabati ko. MMC Boys, binabati ko. Thank you, thank you.
Now, for Sir Alan Ramos with 18 points, 6 out of 9 from 3-point field. Grabe po yung score nyo. Now, being a best player po, what can we expect from you with your upcoming game po?
Bali maganda na yung nilalaro ng team namin. Bali yung chemistry namin nasusunod na. Alam na namin mga mga laro. Kaya okay, nasusunod na yung play ni Coach Bennett.
Now, may gusto po ba kayong batiin, sir?
Binabati ko po yung suporta sa amin ni Boss Gerardo de Luna, si Boss Mervin po, yung get well soon po sa tatay niya. Sa mga coaches po namin, kay Coach Bennett Palad, mga teammates ko, coaching staff po, family ko, si Yanyan, yung utol ko, si Ricky, saka yung kuya ko sa Australia. Tapos yung ina ko, si Yanyan, tapos si Doktora po. Ayun, thank you po sa inyo.
Now, that's it for our CNAG Best Player of the Game. Now, back to you, Ryan and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, Kimberly. Again, Ramos and Orna are the co-best players of the game tonight. And Elvin Vincula, and behalf of course, Coach Enes Play, Alao, and all the glory.